Welcome back to Trina's Motivation. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I managed to pre-poo my hair with aloe vera. Look at that, guys. So this will be what the finished product will look like. So be sure to continue watching on this journey. Now, of course, you know I have my own aloe vera in my backyard, actually a big bunch. And once I go in and I take out maybe one, I go in and I cut them in smaller strips. Guys, be sure to remove the edges because you don't want that to hurt your fingers. It actually hurt my fingers, so I'm giving you the warning. So once you would have gone through, make them in smaller strips, you want to now go. No, guys, there was disaster for me. Disaster. So you notice the consistency, or it is extremely thick. You should not add any water or anything to it. You can actually add your oil to it. I did another batch because this was too small for me. So I did another batch. And this is what you're seeing me now doing. I'm mixing the aloe vera with my extra virgin olive oil. Now, the last pre-poo video I did, I only used the extra virgin olive oil, which was actually really great. But guys, let me tell you something. With the aloe vera, it was actually, it brought about a lot of slip. Look at that, guys. In terms of the consistency, it was really nice. Remember, it's right from my backyard garden. No additives, right? So this is what you want to do. Then I'm going in and I'm going to detangle my hair. Remember, this is actually pre-poo, so this is not clean hair. It's actually ready, getting ready to shampoo and restyle. No, guys, you must watch this video to the end. When I say must, you must watch it to the end because certainly I don't want you to make the same mistake I did. So I tried to strain, but it was giving me a little challenge. So I decided I'm just gonna go in without straining. No, guys, look at my hair. Remember, my hair is facing some breakage. I'm not sure why. So I'm actually going in and trying something different. So I'm trying to do a little pre-pooing before. So there I'm going in, guys, and I'm doing the first side. And of course, you know my hand is very heavy. So I go in with a whole lot of products. Once you do that, your breakage will be less. I can tell you, once I did that, you will see the amount of hair I lost after doing this. So though it took a little time to do, so I'm unraveling my twist, I ensure to saturate the hair with that lovely consistency of extra virgin olive oil and my aloe vera mixed together. Look at that. I believe you could actually wear for a nice style, you know. See, just a small amount of hair I lost. And look at the shine already. And this is we're going to keep this in for about half an hour. Then you're going to give the same love to the other side. So you notice how my hand is just gliding through. Really nice. So then we go to the other side. Can remember we do our thing in section. So once I'm done with that side, I gave it a jumbo braid. I continue with the same process on the other side, and it's the same love that we will give. And make sure we do another jumbo braid. Then it's on our way to the back. Guys, you want to ensure that everything is fully saturated. You do a little massage as well because you want everything to be covered, right? And we know that aloe vera is extremely good for our hair. It gives it a lot of shine and it strengthens your hair. So why not try it? So since I haven't used aloe vera in my hair for a while, because as I told you before, aloe vera for me, it allows my hair to have a dryness. So I don't use it a lot unless it's necessary, unless I'm doing maybe a hot oil treatment, which I have not done in a while. So maybe I could actually look at that as well. Look at the definition, guys. Look at the definition at my hair. So we're going to go in same love for the back, and we're doing one section first. And once we are completed, then we're going to be going in and we do our jumbo plait or jumbo braid, as you will call it. Then we're going to go in our final section. So you do it in section, it makes the process so much easier. Now I'm actually unraveling the entire hair so you get a better idea what my hair looks like. Oh my God, I'm just loving it. I'm just loving it. Go right ahead, guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you actually love what you're seeing. My hair is actually growing. It's looking really nice. And then you're going to be going in, saturating the entire hair again with this nice pre-poo. And it's actually treating the hair just the same. All right, so this is what I'll be doing. Guys, be sure to stick around. You want to see what happens in the end. So once we are done with this, we're going to go through, massage the hair, and then of course I'm going to put it back in section. I actually just unravel it so we could actually see what my entire hair is looking like. So I'm going to go back and put them in section, nice in section, and then I go and I cover for half an hour or so. Now, guys, what I decided to do as a deep conditioning treatment, I decided I'm going to use my aloe vera and olive oil. This time, though, guys, I decided to strain. Now, guys, be sure to strain it. Don't follow me. Make sure you strain it. So you're going to have to do the blending quickly before you are ready for it. And give it some time because it took some time to go through. So this is what my hair looks like after half an hour. I will go through and then I will get this out, and after that I will go in and do my deep conditioning treatment. And I'm making my own deep conditioning treatment, so I'm using my aloe vera and extra virgin olive oil, which I ensure to strain. So you see all that flaky things that is left, I will be throwing that away. I could also use my cheesecloth and I will get more substance out. Look at that consistency, guys. That is what you actually want. So making your own deep conditioning treatments, and I'm going to now go in with my conditioner, just a regular old conditioner. I just going in and I mix everything together. So you see, guys, you can make your own thing. As I always say to you, start where you are and use what you've got. You don't have to go and spend a whole lot of money. Just be you. So this is what I have and I'm being me. So this is what I should have done in the first part. Now, guys, once I've finished putting together, look at my hair. You notice those things in my hair? That's the disaster that happened, So I'm gonna go in now with my deep conditioning treatment and cover, and we'll see what happens afterwards. We go in and we do our deep conditioning treatment, and then we would be ready for styling in just no, we just cover this for another 15 to 20 minutes and we are ready to go. So this would be after my hair was shampooed, and I'm going in now for a deep conditioning treatment. All right, guys. So once I'm done with that, again, we want to ensure we do them in section. We do our hair in section. Make sure your ends get a lot of love because that's the hardest part of your hair. All right, guys, so you want to make sure that is done. But it was a good one. Again, you want to massage so your hair get all that goodness. So there we're having the final product after we would have done. I think it's a cute look. What do you think? Right, flaky things. That was because I blended the aloe vera and I didn't strain it. That was the worst thing. So please, guys, don't make this mistake. All right, lesson learned from me.